Hi everyone, so today I'm going to take the review on the Yunteng 1288 selfie stick that I bought from Amazon, and I got a free action camera. It's the Captcha Bm400 action cam. So this is the selfie stick that I got, and you have a USB cable to charge the remote of the selfie stick, and I'm going to talk about it in this video. And you have a tag to attach this to the selfie stick. So first I'm going to be talking about the selfie stick, then I'm later going to come on the action camera. 288 selfie stick, this is how it looks. If you want to adjust the position after inserting the phone, so you can change its angle by turning this, so it changes its angle. And first I'll be showing you from where I bought the product, and the product link is given in the description below if you want to buy it. So this was the product. Both I got it for 1625 rupees. Both the selfie stick and the action cam, and certain 1-year warranty. So first I'm going to take this remote out of the selfie stick. You can take it out if you want. This is how the remote looks, and you have a USB port to charge your remote. You can't insert batteries in the remote. So to turn on the remote, you can see on and off buttons. You just need to slide this button and the LED blinks for 3 times. So now this remote is turned on. So I'm just going to place it over there. I'm going to settings of my phone, and it shows that it's connected, Yunteng. So you need to connect it with it. I have already connected it. So now I'm going to go to camera, and I'm going to attach my phone into the selfie stick. Onto the selfie stick. Just going to bring it closer, and when I press this button, you can see the sound. So that means it has clicked a photo. It's that simple. Just press the button and it clicks the photo. And as you can see, there's a plus and minus button over here. Just going to focus. This is a plus button and this minus button, but it does not work. I don't know why. It's not zooming in or out. It's just clicking photos again. So this is how the selfie stick works. If you want, you can just put this remote back into the selfie stick. It's a little tricky. So this is how it works. If you want to extend your selfie stick, it has clips over here. So you just need to pull these clips out and extend as long as you want. So it has a pretty long distance. It can go really far away, so you can see. And to make it secure, you have to press this again, otherwise it will be loose. So I'm just going to put it back and make it tight again. So this is how the selfie stick works. Press the button and it will capture the photo. So now I'm going to talk about the action cam, and I'll be uploading a sample footage on the action cam. The Captcha Bm400 action cam that I got free with the selfie stick. So you have a booklet, certain action camera, and what is included. So these are all the contents included. with this action camera, product structure diagram, specifications of the action camera, assembly guide, how to fit it, and all the cautions and warnings, and all these, it's there in the book if you want to read it. So I'm going to keep that aside. And this is a mount, so you can mount the action camera on your helmet. You can use these. There are a few straps that I got. This thing, this can be used when you mount your action camera in bicycle stand. This is the main thing which you use to mount your action camera in the bicycle stand. You just need to loose these screws and place it in your bicycle stand. And these are all there are many accessories. USB charger. Again, there are many screws. And let me remove the action camera. So this is how it looks. This is the waterproof casing. You can use it 30 meter underwater. So to remove the casing, just need to slide and open it. Just pull this out, and that's how you remove the casing. Remove the action cam from the casing. And this is how it looks. Looks really nice. And here there is a USB port over here. You can see it. And an SD card slot. So to insert an SD card, you need to get the SD card. It should be 8 GB and more, and just slide it in. I'll light it in and push it, and there will be a tick sound. So to turn on the action cam, you have to press this button, and a blue LED will flash, and it's written sports camera, and you can see this waterproof casing. To change the modes, now it's in the video mode. You have to press this button, and now it's in the photo mode. Now it's in the voice recording mode. And this is the gallery. I'll upload a sample footage at the end of the video. So you have to press the OK button once, and you can see all the settings. You have to press this up and down arrow buttons to change the settings, and press the OK button. So I press it in 1080 pixels. It's a 1080p camera, and here inside this you have the battery, the speakers. So, and it has rubberized, it has grip, so that the camera won't fall out of your hand. And the weight of the camera is really less. It's not heavy and bulky. So this is how it looks. You can change modes as I told. So to start the video, you just need to press this OK button once, and the video will start. Take the photo the same, you have to press the OK button once. To end the video, you have to press the OK button again. So these are all the features that this action camera has. It has a timestamp also. So before first time when you use this action camera, you should charge it for about 4 hours. Then only you should use this action camera. The battery lasts for around half an hour to 1 hour, and the battery weight is really less. So I'm just going to turn off the action camera. So these are the contents that you get with this action camera, and as I told, the link of the product is given in the description below. And I'll show you a sample footage of this action camera now. So this is the sample video and audio recording of the action cam.